Now we're ready for our secret formulation that guarantees to release all the pee-pee from the rug. Mark, can you begin applying that?
Good.
Okay, this is a very high-tech thing. We have a watering can. That's our special formulation. This is our secret formulation that will break down all the pee-pee. It's going to break down everything when we wash this rug. So Mark's going to begin applying it. It's going to require a lot because this is a monster big rug. So he's simply just pouring it on to the rug that's already wet. So that special formulation is already starting to work inside the rug, starting to emulsify and break down that pee-pee. Okay, Mark has now applied our secret sauce, per se, our secret formula that breaks down all the pee-pee, and now he's going to start working in with our unique scrubbing machine. This is a special machine that will not twist and will not damage the fibers. This machine has very soft brushes on it, and they counter-rotate. Okay, you can already see that the shampoo, our special shampoo, is already working. So now what he's doing is he's working it deep into that rug, deep down in here where the pee-pee is. Now we can already see how much cleaner the rug is looking. All from our special secret cleaner that breaks up the soil, breaks up the dirt, and breaks up that pee-pee. Start to emulsify it. Okay, so this is our special roller. What this is doing is it's compressing the rug. It's like taking a towel and squeezing it. You're squeezing all that filth out. Well, we're squeezing it with our roller. You see all that weight on there? That's squeezing deep. That's all the pee-pee. That's all the filth coming out of this rug. Look at that. That's all the disgusting, embarrassing soil. This is all the stuff that makes the rug so stinky people won't even have it in their rug in their home anymore. And we guarantee it. We absolutely guarantee zero smell when we're finished. That's urine coming out of this rug, all being released by our special formula. And copious volumes of water is coming out. We're flushing the toilet. You know what? This rug right now, it's become a toilet. The doggy, the cat, whoever it was, they had an accident. Maybe one time, maybe twice. Sorry to say this, but after a couple of times, it's no accident anymore. This rug became a toilet. We are flushing the toilet. That's what we do here at Luv-A-Rug. You know, I actually invented this system on how to wash rugs to get all the pee-pee out. I invented these tools. I invented that tool right there. That's our rug roller. It's called a Rug Badger rug roller. We have a whole line of equipment that we sell all over the world. People use this all over the world so they can guarantee to their customers that they can get all the pee-pee out. That's what we do here at Luv-A-Rug. We actually invent new tools, new techniques for the industries used all over the world, used all over the US, all over Canada, all over Australia, New Zealand, the Middle East, and all over Europe, England, even Africa. We have people using our Rug Badger equipment, all developed right here at Luv-A-Rug by me. Once again, we didn't get all the pee-pee out of the rug, so Martin is doing the second shot. We're putting more of our secret formula, our secret rug lever formula that releases all the pee-pee. It breaks it down. Martin's adding more of it to the rug because we want to guarantee you zero smell, zero pee-pee in the rug, zero chemical smell, zero deodorizer, zero embarrassment when we're finished. Okay, so Martin has actually applied the shampoo for the third time, and now he's working it in with our special Simex scrubber. It's so gentle. It's more gentle than any other scrubber on the planet. It's the only scrubber we use at Luv-A-Rug because we never want to damage your rug. This machine, I won't even call it a scrubber. It's more like massaging the rug, just the way it should. We're massaging all our secret PP shampoo deep into that rug. And see, just take a look. You can see what's coming out of that rug. PP and filth. Martin, he's rolling the rug one more time. This is our special Rug Badger rug roller. Squeeze even more of that PP, more of that filth out of the rug. Look at that coming out of there. You know, you can't clean a rug. If you're not going to be fully washing it, it's still full of filth. It's actually shocking for even us. When we see rugs that have been cleaned by a carpet cleaner, we get rugs in here every week that be cleaned by carpet cleaners, where they've done the best job they can, where they've cleaned just the surface of the carpet. That's all carpet cleaning can do, whether it's a wet or dry process. Carpet cleaning can only do the surface. We can wash it all the way through. So it's shocking for us when we see a rug that people have paid good money to have it washed. It's still stinky, it's still filthy, the fringes look awful. Client brings it to us because, well, they can't stand the rug, even though they just had it cleaned by a professional carpet cleaner. And we wash it, you see what comes out, it is just shocking.